different pattern in the costume.
You guys know how to dance like that? I don't know. You grew up here. Your parents know how to dance like that?
My mother had made a costume like that.
Really?
Yeah.
Just to have one? Or just to have a costume? Or I mean, just to
So
wear
Byron,
it?
it's like all costumes you see they look different.
Yeah.
Because in Sweden we have landscapes, different landscapes all over the country. So every landscape used to have their own pattern in this
Oh,
costume.
really? Yay.
Ja, vi ber att få avsluta den här uppvisningen och den här midsommaren med en hambo. Och det är ju egentligen den svenska traditionella polskan så som man dansade den omkring år 1900. Med den vill vi tacka för ert intresse här under hela den här midsommaren. Och vi hoppas att ni får en riktigt skön avslutning ikväll. Och vi hoppas på ett snart återseende. Tack för oss och på återseende.
Tack för oss.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the
For
last
us.
dance.
Thank you for us.
Oh.
The last dance during this midsummer. It will be a real Swedish hambo. And this is a dance that shows how the traditional Swedish polska was danced around the year 1900. We would like to thank you all for your kind interest during this performance and during the whole midsummer. And we wish you a very nice evening here at Skansen, and we do hope to meet you again soon. Goodbye and thank you.